Okay, so remember that water problem we had with the column and a lot of efflorescence around the column? Well, now I'm above it, which is above the pool. So below me is a column with a lot of efflorescence, signs of water coming through the masonry concrete and causing problems, maybe causing cracks because of osmosis, so that salt and that pressure pushing on the material itself. The PSI that's built up because of osmosis and capillary action and water movement through concrete. That PSI at the surface is stronger than the concrete itself, so it can literally explode, crack, spall the concrete. Now, what is causing the problem? Water. That's why every homeowner should understand water management. How do you understand water management? You just need to learn it. So hire your home inspector to teach you about how to manage water around the house. And right here we see indications of water that could go into the masonry. So at this area here, above that column with the efflorescence and the cracking, we have points where water can penetrate into the concrete. So you can see some open cracks here on this side, open cracks on the side, open cracks at the top. Yep, open cracks there at the corner. Let's take a look on the other side. Open cracks here. Now, how about roof water? Well, looks like this was sealed. It has flashing, although that's rusted there. Maybe this area is not retaining water. Oh, it looks like it has a patch on it. It has a patch of some kind. I'm going to stop my inspection right here because someone knows what's going on. Looks like maybe here we have a water problem with the roofing material. It has leaked, and someone came in and tried to put like a garbage bag to cover it, a piece of plastic there. So what we need is a professional roofer to further investigate and evaluate here. And also, the drip edge might not be working very well. This capping here along this part of the concrete wall, the beam going across, you can see the crack and efflorescence there. Over time, this will damage the concrete. If left go, this concrete is going to further crack and spall and fall apart. So this is the source of the problem. And here we go here on this side too. Maybe this is just a piece of fabric that's used to protect the material, but it's also an inspection restriction. We know that there's a roof leak here. It could be coming from the concrete itself, maybe from the roofing material. We know there's a roof leak there. Could be coming through the roofing material, the flashing, the fastener, the cracking. We know we have indications of cracks and water. That efflorescence is an indication. The efflorescence is always an indication of cracking and water penetration. Efflorescence is always an indicator. It indicates potential structural problems caused by water. Water is moving through material that shouldn't. We want to keep the water out. And if it does get in, we need to let it drain out. Neither is happening here. We have structural components made out of poured concrete that are cracking and indicating continuous water movement through it. And it's only going to get worse because of osmosis and salt deposits and pressure within the surface of that exterior of the concrete. It's going to crack more and spall and explode and deteriorate. This needs to be addressed. And the cause is water. It's not being managed in this area. Now, here's the water leak. Now, let's listen to what the water problem sounds like. Ready? Just use your knuckles. Solid. Hollow. right? Water is underneath this parging, this coating, and it's starting to pop the parging off. Eventually, if left go, this will just pop right off all by itself. And above, you can see some of the flaking and spalling that's happening.